Music. All right. Sorry. Let's go. All right, there we go. Screaming Mayday. What's up, boys? Here, let's start in 5 minutes here. Yeah. La da 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 dee da. Oh.
She was pretty cool for the time. She was like my whole life. Something on my mind. Really wasn't her though. Now I'm screaming fuck up out of her. How funny how the tides are fucking turned out. You done did me dirty. Sipping on this slowly. Fly away the birdie. No longer my shawty. You just gotta leave him. I just gotta breathe in. Kept you different seasons. Now I'm fucking leaving. Yo. Take a couple shots when she lost our head. I can't believe she actually did this. Screaming bang, this lady ain't gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacay for 4 weeks from green old lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but thought they be all on me. Screaming bang, this lady ain't gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacay for 4 weeks from green old lady.
Bacardi be all on me. Yeah, Canadian rap, hey, that's my buddy Shay. Good morning, boys. Boys, you guys watch Ludwig? You guys know Ludwig, the streamer on Twitch? Boys, he does that all the time.
Years and did absolutely nothing with your life. I fucking hate you. You saw how hard I busted my ass to get this music out. I break up with you and suddenly your insecure ass takes away everything I've been working for. What a trash move from a trash fucking human. Cut my cables, broke my shit, deleted my music. What a fucking bitch.
Best trading channel. Hey, thanks, buddy. Giga Chad. Yeah.
One time, but one times, maybe one time she'll need me. Lately been thinking of singing, I'm making the fucking dependent on different roles. Slowly revealing the pain I can't help it lately. I'm tapping and blow, baby. That's a little crazy. Nobody know about the struggle I had. I didn't know, I feel like I'm
This is Restless, not Warzone. All right. Boom. What's up? What's up? What's up? There's a cat. There's a Chris. That's my first name if you guys didn't realize. And there's some charts. CCC. Cat, Chris, and charts. Perfect. Welcome to the CCC. Sounds like a news channel, hey? The CCC. Filled with your daily jokes and charts. I don't know. Alright, let's put on the beat. Where's the beat at? Okay. Again, boys, sweepstakes running. You got a good chance of winning. You got a really good chance of winning. If I don't make any money off of this, I'm still gonna fly you guys out, just so you know. Just so you guys know. I'm gonna fly somebody out. I don't care. I wanna fly somebody out. Okay. So what are we looking at here? I'm thinking that this is a good chance that this rally's up here, just so you guys know. It's a good chance, at least. Let's see. Let's look at the chart here. Yesterday, dailies, we got a nice clean cut on those lows. Rallying back up, we have a very obvious fill zone right here that we've just tapped. So we might go a little bit higher, right? We might go a little bit higher and fill up this area for the end of the week. And then I'm thinking NFP usually causes a reversal. So this is generally what we will see coming into the NFP. And the NFP will be right around here. Actually, it'll be a little bit lower. It'll be like over here. A little bit later, rather. Let's move it. It'll be like over here. Wait. Where's the NFP? Tomorrow, right around here. Yeah, okay. So it'll kind of do something like this, and then it'll cause the reversal on the NFP. Usually how things go is there's a reversal on NFP. Because they start creating the liquidity, and then they use the NFP. Look up 3... Up 3R took a long at 10-ish this morning. So 10-ish, your time is about here. No, about here. Yeah, you took this long. Yeah, good shit, my man. That's a good one. If you're looking at the 1 minute, let's drop down to the 1 minute. It was quite obvious we were looking for longs here, right? Because we're trying to fill up this gap. We're in a strong rally. Is this music a bit too loud or what? Turn it down a little. If I buy with streams to be recorded, yeah, dude, I'm gonna record them all and send them out. But I'll be live trading, right? And I'll explain everything. It'll be the start of June, so we still got a month to just kind of prepare yourselves, get yourselves ready. Hit the like button, boys, if you don't mind. Try to create a good give and take relationship between us. I give info, you give clicks of the button. Right? Fair enough, I think. Right, so this is a great trade. 10 o'clock your time. I believe Edward is this time right here, right at that wick down there. If we look at the 1 minute at that time, you can see very obvious. Ed is a great trader here. He is somebody that I've been working with, and he is doing quite well. So if we see, we have obvious lows here. Boom. Touch that inefficiency, rallied to the other side. This is the retest. Bang, bing, bop. Right, we went for the rally, and I'm sure he banged it right here for the 3R. I'm sure this was the trade. Unfortunately, I'm not awake at that time. Something like this, I'm sure. 3R, in and out. Nice, easy peasy. I don't trade London anymore. Sometimes I do, guys. I am experimenting with sleep, because you guys know the struggle of being a West Coast is that my trading hours are the middle of the night. Oh God, 8 a.m. right now, and it's the end of the day. So, trading hours, middle of the night. So I'm experimenting with how do I get as little sleep as possible. So guys, looking forward here. Yeah, we're thinking we're still gonna, let's look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours still looks reasonably bullish. We're not really destroying anything yet. Should come up there. Tap that. Should. There's just a little bit of concern because we are making all these wicks above these levels, but the hourly seems to be doing quite well. So I'm not too concerned. If we can close the hourly above this level here, which is basically exactly where we are, you know, this previous candle, that's going to be strong for us, basically exactly where we are. Then it's going to give us that insight into moving forward. I think if it does rally back down here, it's going to come back down and fill this gap area, right? This FVG. And so that's going to be dependent on what's going on. Or just about now, we'll see how the dailies close and whatnot. Let's see the daily, how this guy's going to close. Could be getting a sweep here. You know, we might go up a little bit higher and sweep this daily top there. That would give us really strong bias to the downside if we can, right? If we're looking at that. Have we looked at gold? No, we don't trade gold here. Hunter, how did the week go? No, I got pretty pooped on this week. Didn't really lose money, but like my win rate was shit. I had like one winner. So got kind of pooped on. Just below break even. Just below. But that's fine. Moving forward. You don't win every week. Do you wake up early for London? London, my time, dude, is midnight. So I don't know if that's early for you. But I kind of sleep in naps. I take like 2-hour naps. And then it's really annoying because sometimes I just can't wake up, right? I try to actually sleep on the couch right behind me. So it's easier to wake up and just like get up and go to the chart. But it's a fucking pain, middle of the night, guys. I don't know if you guys got any freaking tips of how to just like not need as much sleep. Because sometimes it's just a hassle. It's so difficult to like actually get up and trade for all night, especially when you don't know if you're gonna get a setup right. But if you guys got tips, let me know. Wyckoff theory, do I use it? No. Wyckoff theory, we talked about this many times before. It's just overcomplicated sweeps. Essentially, Wyckoff is some shit like this, right? You get double tops, and then it sweeps it, and then rallies back down, right? Reason why I think this is bullish here is because we're sweeping these lows, right? This was a strong move. Sweep the lows after the retest into the order block. It, you know. And then we also are in a bull trend, right? Coffee. Yeah, coffee isn't the best idea. Coffee is not the best idea when you have to like nap multiple times a day, you know what I mean? Like I can't sleep during the day, right? Because it's super hot and sunny. And I can't just like take coffee and then have to go back and nap, you know what I mean? So I need like healthy naps somehow here. This is why we got to move to Asia, boys, because Asia is literally the GOAT for trading. Western Hemisphere has it the fucking shit end of the stick, don't they? I mean, the more west you get, the worse the trading hours are. Okay. 20 minutes on the hourly close here. Let's look at the pound, maybe. Yesterday, we swept the highs of the day, right? Today, again, sweeping the highs of the day, breaking back down. Looks relatively bearish, right? Freaking relatively bearish on the higher time frame here. Pound. You kind of got that spinning top there. I don't know what we want to think of that. Honestly, I don't know what we want to think of this guy. Still looks kind of bearish to me. Higher time frame. That looks more bearish to my side, I think. Did tap down here. I think we should hit these lows, right? Most likely that'll be the reversal point. Should rally back down. Continue. Yeah, EU not looking the best for continuing right now, but it's fine, right? Are they Williams fractals? Don't know what Williams fractals are, so probably not. Same West Texas. Yeah, I imagine West Texas. Pretty good. What about your coconut drink that you've shown before in some videos? Yeah, always coconut water. Hey, I don't think coconut water helps you stay awake at night. Eh? I need like screamo. I need somebody awake. Like, and then we just take shifts. That's what we need. We need like a trader house where we just have like shift work and we're all looking at the same trades. We all trade the exact same and we just shift work around the clock. Wake up the next guy, cold shower, drink a pint of water. Yeah, see, you guys, you're requiring me to have to get up off the couch to do these things. Taking a cold shower, I need to get off the couch. But yeah, I don't get any sleep, so I'm fucking dead half the time. We short Doge here. Are you shorting Doge? Let's see here. I did want to see how the weekly was going to close. Weekly's a bit more bullish now. Yeah. There's no point in shorting this yet. The weekly, if the week does happen to drop in 3 days, way back down here, we'll give it a short and we'll short it back down there. All right. Bitcoin still holding strong-ish. Let's go here. What did we say? I think yesterday. I think we said yesterday we're going to look for a rejection off this area. Right there. I think that's what we said. And if not, then it's going to sweep these tops and then reject off this level here. Those were the two options. We are rejecting exactly where I said. With these tops being swept back in there. Yeah. Ginger chili shots, that'll wake you up for sure. Yeah, totally. That's actually decent. I have some of these little shot juices that I bought from Body Energy Club. ETH, fuck, it's still powering through. Dang, I didn't even look at it today. It's even higher today. With this ETH pumping, Bitcoin kind of standing still, this is really giving us a strong move on the ETH BTC. And we want to watch kind of this zone where we dropped off right around 0.07. And it is possible that we easily get back up to 0.1, right? Which would make ETH worth 10K if once Bitcoin hits 10K or 100K. So that's kind of an actual number that we could shoot for with ETH. I was predicting, I think 7 to 8K as a realistic number just using the ETH chart this year. So it's somewhat accurate. So what we could actually end up doing is we could rally really strong. ETH could hit something like, 7, 8K while Bitcoin's still down here, right? And then it could drop off here after sweeping these tops. And then we could still kind of just remain around that 7, 8K, right? As Bitcoin pumps. I think that's a good possibility. You know, there's not a whole lot of reason for that other than just an intuition for me. I don't see ETH really like coming up to like 0.2. It seems ridiculous, but it's always possible. I'm not really sure with crypto, this one right here. But it's definitely possible it comes way up to 0.2, and then this would make a massive number for ETH, but it just doesn't really make much sense in terms of how ETH has grown in the past. It would be growing more this cycle than it did last cycle. You just got in on your Euro USD. I would not suggest that. This is a bad time to be. I'm assuming you're longing here, kind of because I threw this chart up. Just because I throw a chart doesn't mean you guys should enter it, by the way. Or a position doesn't mean you should enter it. This is a really bad time to enter because you're basically playing with nothing. You have no wiggle room here. But that's my opinion. What percentage of my capital's in Forex? About 10%. 90% is crypto. I went 3-1 bearish on the spinning top. Yeah. AU, AJ. Let me shift it. Yeah, I don't want to move from the bed, man. It's annoying because, like, I mean, yeah, I fall asleep sometimes because it's the middle of the night, right? So you're waiting here, and you don't want to sit on your computer at like fucking 2 a.m., right? So then I just pass out, and like then I miss a trade like this. Like this was a perfect trade, actually. This was one that I definitely missed because I passed out right last night. So it's annoying because you miss a lot of trades. Just because you can't stay awake. Oh, you're demoing. Okay. Yeah, I mean this would be funny if it I mean there's a not 0% chance that it just goes for one of these barely stop out ones where it's like that and stops out like everyone who tried to long here. Possible. And there's a really good idea for a rejection here because we've made this double top. This is the liquidity grab, right into a higher time frame zone here. All right. These tops here, grab that. Yeah, and then grab that, right? You got 1 hour for the 4 hour to close. Looks like this is what's actually playing out. Is there's a double top, there's the liquidity grab, and then there's a reversal. So it looks like now that the 4 hour is probably going to close, we got 1 hour left on it. 1 hour left on the 4 hour. It looks like this is going to have enough momentum to come back and fill this gap area, right? Look at the 4 hour gap area. All right. Fill this zone. I was hoping that this one would get filled first. But yeah. Unless it just barely sweeps here, right? Does one of these guys and it just launches. What's the low here? 97. Yeah, just barely lower here. See, look. Looks like it's doing it, hey? 5 minute just closed. It might be doing exactly that. 5 minute just closed, double sweep here. This was for anyone who is basically trying to long like I threw up here, right? stop them out, and then go for the rally. Really good chance. Now that it's actually closed the 5 minute here, but we don't know. It's pretty late in the day, so. Okay. What do we want to look at here, boys? AU, somebody said? AU looks pretty bullish here. Daily's closing really strong. Breaking some tops, yeah. Looks reasonably bullish to me, yeah. But, oh, yeah, same sort of thing. It's very similar to EU, is that we're gonna have to, like, look, this, very similar to EU. Same sort of thing, depending on what happens here on the next hourly close. There's a gap here that needs to be filled, right? 1 hour is gonna close pretty bearishly, it looks like, cutting all these off, right? Double top here. It should rally back down, assuming that this closes bearish. So probably what EU is doing as well, rally back down here. Why is my screen so blurred? I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe your quality, your video quality. Maybe let me look at the video quality here. I mean, it looks fine to me. Looks fine to me. Just tuning into the stream. Looks fine to me. GJ. Looks like a GJ. I want to see EU here real quick. See what it's printing. I'll see what it's printing here. This level. Looks decent, eh? It's so funny, man. It looks actually decent to rally here. Okay, GJ. GJ, where is it? Bearish. Just like GU, we looked at GU earlier. Goes hand in hand with that. Bearish on that because we're sweeping those tops. Sweeping. Rallying down strong in this session for sure. Sweep these tops here. Looks like it's gonna rally down again here. All right. I bet this actually breaks down right now. Little go for a retest. Rally down. I bet it does this. Swing lows. Break this low here. That's my guess on GU, eh? Or GJ, rather. I think GU was basically the same, wasn't it? AJ. Somebody wanted AJ. Can I show you what indicator I use for pivot points? Stop on fractals. AJ. Bullish on that. Retest here. Yeah, bullish, close, rally, strong, fine, good. Still good. Still good. What's with all these freaking spinners? This last day. Like every chart's got a fucking spinner, eh? What's up, Zero? This is pretty fucking flat. I don't like it. I mean, it looks reasonably bullish. I wouldn't consider this too strong yet. Should rally up higher. 85. I think. This week, the charts are fucked. Yeah, NFP week. Yeah. I think I had like only 25% winner this week, so I only had one winner, 2.5 R, and then 3 losers. So it was a shitty week for me. But that's the great thing about having, you know, higher profit on your winners, because you can actually fuck up and be fine still. Liam, don't move to Vancouver. Eh? How do I find out the percentage of a stop loss? Hover over this. Tells you the percent. 0.03 right there. Oh man, you guys want to look at a bunch of charts, don't you? Oh. I might call it off here pretty quick, actually. End of the week, basically, boys. NFP is coming tomorrow. I'm not going to do a stream for NFP. I'm going to call it off here. Just a quick 30-minute stream, looking at a few things. And I'm thinking... Yeah, this isn't coming back up now, is it? Well, maybe it will. Who knows? You never knows. But that really looked promising, right? Oh, maybe here it goes now. Now that I'm like, no chance. It'd be funny if it rallied. But anyways, it does look like this was the actual move here into liquidity. Cut the liquidity and back down. Gaming stream? No, I don't play games ever, dude. I don't know the last time I played any game. Can I recommend a book? Yeah, Market Wizards. First Friday of a new month. Yeah, NFP tomorrow, boys. Be careful. NFP. Where is it? Non-farm. This is a big one. This is the biggest news event tomorrow, 5 a.m. This is New York Open. 30 minutes into New York Open. Recommend a book that you've used before. Yeah. Market Wizards. There's no book that will teach you anything useful, though. Just so you know. Read books that help your mind. Help you be happy. Read books that make you a better person. Not that make you a better trader. Right, boys? Take it easy. I'll see you guys next week. Be sure if you're... Yeah, if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button. If you guys like me, hit the like button. Not everyone likes me though, so it's fair enough. If you don't like me, just hit the like button anyways. It's a hate button. So you guys, yeah, hope you had a good week. Even though the week was a little bit challenging. Still a good week. Always a good week, eh? Trying to get outside more. It's been sunny. Been doing lots of activities. Went for my first 10K run yesterday. Gonna do a triathlon, actually. Gonna start training for a triathlon. And don't worry, we like you. Thanks, Lewis. Luis? Luis. Hey, Sterner. What's up, dude? Alright, guys.